Hello everyone, I'm Gediminas Gelgotas and I'm here to tell that together with my group, the New Ideas Chamber Orchestra Niko, we're not gonna make it for our concert in Serbia, Novi Sad, on April the 24th. It's a really sad thing to say, but it's absolute priority now is all of our health. And for us musicians, it means we cannot travel. We also have to stay at home. And I only hope we'll be able to get back to our listeners all around the world pretty soon. And I also hope we'll meet in Novi Sad sometime later this year. And at the moment, I'm just sending you warmest wishes from Vilnius, Lithuania. Please everyone stay safe, healthy, and in a good mood. Goodbye and see you soon.